Goal. Strategy. Action. Result. Is the goal. Success. If you not hit the goal, people treat it three ways. First set of people, failures, give up, yes, complaints, excuses. Second set of people, DIY, again. First set of people, there are no failures, only feedback. Take strategy, take action, get results. Goals are controlled in two ways, belief and self-esteem.
Nice. Okay, champions, you guys tell them, you guys show them what is self-esteem. 1, 2, 3, go. So champions, the parents, they've learned what is self-esteem. Self-esteem is their self-worth, that they are feeling lovable, feeling capable, and feeling valuable. They've learned how valuable they are.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.